Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Chang Nyak. Today we have a very important update from Gogrial East County. Today on the 5th of June 2025, the people of Gogrial East experienced a shocking event. A surprise airstrike conducted by the South Sudan People Defense Forces, commonly known as SSPDF. The attack happened early this morning in the AwutWut area. According to Honorable Marko Garang Anyar, the Commissioner of Gogrial East County, the airstrike specifically targeted the Atayang area located within Toch East Payam. This sudden military action resulted in injuries to at least one person and caused the destruction of several homes in the affected community. Many families have been left displaced and deeply concerned about their safety. The community remained confused and alarmed, as no official explanation has yet been given for the motive behind this strike. Commissioner Garang said that the local government is still trying to understand the reason for the attack and is in contact with higher authorities to get more information. He said that we are not yet sure why this bombing took place, but we are actively seeking answers from senior officials. The local authorities are also working to assess the damage and provide support to those impacted by this unexpected airstrike. We reached out to the SSPDF spokesperson for a comment regarding this incident, but have not yet received any response. This incident raised many questions and concerns among residents and the wider public. The suddenness and severity of the attack have left many fearful and uncertain about what the future holds. As your trusted source for news, I will continue to follow this story closely and provide updates as soon as more information becomes available. In times like this, staying informed is critical. I urge everyone to remain calm, stay safe, and look out for one another. Thank you for watching. This is Chang Nyak, and I will keep bringing you the latest news from across our country. Stay with me and stay informed. Thank you.